student. Today I post a 10 English word for you. Learn my English 10 words daily. I upload. If you need, then you read these 10 sentences and remember in your mind. And when you speak or when you write, then you can use this all word. Then keep your mind. You have to stay with me if you need improve your English knowledge. Then you should have to subscribe my YouTube channel, then you can obtain my all video when I upload. Then be safe and learn more English word, because I update daily 10 English sentence verbs. Also, if you need sentences, then if you need to know any grammar or any English word, then put on the comment box. I will surely reply to for you. Thank. Now these are the all words today I given for you. Study well and read all. And if you need to learn English, then these all sentences daily I provide you 10 words. Then you have to read and keep in your mind when you speak or when you try to write something. Then you have to need this all word. Then read these all words and good pronunciation, as well as the memorize all words. Because when you need to speak something, or when you try to speak English, you have to use English words. Then if your mind lack of, then you can't do anything.